China! This is the cyber city of Chongqing, China. 3, 2, 1. This is Chongqing, baby. Let's go. Come on. This is Chongqing. Beautiful. This is it. W's in the chat. This is Cyber City. Cyber City, baby. Cyber City. Cyber City. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my God. This is crazy. This is Chongqing, China, bro. Chongqing right here. 3, 2, 1. Show the other shot. Oh my God. Come on, baby. This is it. This is Cyber City. Oh my God. That looks crazy on camera, bro. Holy shit. That looks insane on camera. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is Chongqing. Oh my God, I'm excited, bro. These shots got me busting nuts, man. Oh my God, oh my God. Yo, this city don't look real. This city don't look real, I swear to God, chat. This city don't look real. This city don't look real. This city does not look real, bro. It does not look real. This looks crazy. I swear to God. I swear to God, this look crazy on stream, bro. China is actually not real. Oh my goodness. China might be in a different year, bro. China might be in a different year, dog. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This shit is beautiful. Chat, the nightlife is really not no joke, bro. This nightlife really not no joke. This nightlife is not a joke. Oh my God. Hey. This is Chongqing. Beautiful, bro. Oh my God, y'all. This is lovely, dog. This is lovely, man. Super idol to showroom, donate me, den, ten, I-I-B-I-E, Alito. Come on. Oh my God. This shit is crazy, y'all. Chongqing's insane, bro. This city is like so futuristic. This city's too futuristic, bro. It's too futuristic. Futuristic, bro. I'm looking, bro. Where's that? Where? It's so futuristic. Where? Where's it at? It might be on the other side.
No, they're going around.
Oh my God.
I don't see it.
Where's the drone at? I don't see it. Oh, it's right there. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see the drone. Tell him to get close. Tell him to get close to me. Tell him to get close to me. Oh my God. Yo, this shot looks crazy. Chat, this shot looks crazy. Yeah, tell him to come. Tell him to come. Joe, come here. Tell the drone to come here. Come closer. I want to wave at the drone. Hey, we love. This is China, baby. Turn up. This is China. Now show the whole city real quick. Zoom out and show the whole city. Go up and show out. Zoom out. Show the whole city. Show the whole city. Show the whole city. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Yo. Yo, my God. Crazy. Yo, that was lit. That was lit. Oh my goodness. Yo. WWW. Oh my God, y'all. This shit crazy, bro. Switch back to the drone shot. Switch back to the, oh my God, look at it. Oh shit. Oh my God. Crazy, yo. Chongqing, China's crazy. Right here?
Yeah. I'm just gonna get a couple of
Chongqing, China, baby, let's go! The drone was really needed, bro. I'm not gonna cap to you, bro. This view was crazy.
Tina, how much battery?
I should have did the backflip. Fuck it. Fuck, let me do the backflip right here. Back up.
Yeah, you guys are good. We don't want you to lose the drone.
Does it look good, like on the shot? It looks good right here?
I need more space. Space.
It look good right here? Huh? Chongqing, China.
Watch out. Get out the way.
Chongqing, China backflip, baby. Oh! Let's go! Ready? To go? All right. Oh my God, chat. WWW.
Switch.
Oh my God, W Chongqing, bro. Oh my life, y'all. Chongqing.
Dope shot right now.
What they do? Damn, look at that shot. Oh my goodness. Yo, this city actually Cyber City. This city's actually Cyber City.
Taylor said he's just gonna play with it.
This city's actually Cyber City. Oh my God. Yo, this shot's crazy. God damn. Yo, this shot's crazy. Yo, that shot was crazy. That shot was crazy, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. This shot right now is crazy. Oh my God. Holy shit. This is Cyber City, Chongqing. These shots look majestic. What the fuck? Yo, oh my God.
We cooked.
I ain't gonna lie, we cooked. I told you the drone was needed for this stream, bro. It was low-key Henry's idea, though. I ain't gonna cap. It was low-key his idea. W, bro. W shot, man. W Chongqing, China, bro. This is Chongqing right here, dog. I really recommend, bro. China, bro, I ain't gonna lie. China is an underrated tour spot. I don't know why people overlook China, bro. It's so underrated. You can spend so much time in China, bro. You can spend a whole you can spend a whole 2 weeks here. I'm kind of like fast pacing it because I'm a streamer. I got to do fast pace. But no, you can spend a whole month here, bro. You can spend a whole month here.
Tina, you're good. Tina, you're good.
Probably 3 months. You can probably spend like 3 months here. I'm just fast pacing this whole tour. But there's so much else more, y'all. Actually.
Throw him down.
W China, bro. All right, I'm mute. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh, wow. Green apple. Green apple.